Lorca LK747DD Computer Direct Drive Super High-Speed Overlock Sewing Machine. Lorca is always pleased surpass limitation perform classic to meet challenging tasks. The machine, according to the market demand, uses advanced technology, a combination of precision machinery and intelligent computers that have been refined and meticulously manufactured in multiple directions. The maximum sewing speed of the motor is up to 7,500 RMB, with fast start-stop response, satisfying the high-efficiency sewing requirements. Adopt throw shaft design, no need of flow. The coupling mode can effectively avoid the mechanical failure of the transmission process, reduce vibration and noise, and greatly improve the stability of the machine. Brightness adjustable, easy to observe, and alleviate visual fatigue. Spare parts can be optimized effectively, reduce the failure of the transmission process, to really improve the service life. It's your good helper on the road to riches.